Have you ever thought about creating a professional voiceover without even using your real voice? Or maybe cloning a completely different voice and using it in your videos within seconds? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I recently came across an AI tool that honestly changed the way I create content, especially for faceless videos and YouTube automation, and the tool is called FineVoice. After using FineVoice for a while, I realized that it's not just another AI tool. It actually feels like having a complete voice studio inside your laptop where you can create, edit, and enhance voices without needing expensive equipment or professional skills. Whether you're working on storytelling videos, motivational content, advertisements, or even simple explainer videos, FineVoice gives you the power to generate studio-quality voices that sound extremely natural and realistic. And FineVoice delivers it with such depth that it feels like a real human is speaking. And the best part is, you don't need any prior experience in voice recording. No microphone setup, no background noise issues, everything is handled by FineVoice itself. Now let's talk about how you can actually get started with FineVoice step by step. First, simply open the official FineVoice website using the link given in the description. Once you land on the home page, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. Signing up is super easy. You can use your Google account, Apple ID, or email, and within a few seconds, your account will be ready. Once you log in, you'll see the FineVoice dashboard on the left side, where all the main features are clearly listed. This includes AI voice cloning, voice design, text-to-speech, AI voice changer, AI voice enhancer, sound effects generator, speech-to-text, background music generator, AI talking photo, and even podcast tools. So instead of using multiple tools, FineVoice gives you everything in one place, which saves a lot of time and effort. Now let's explore one of the most powerful features of FineVoice, which is AI voice cloning. When you click on the voice cloning option, you'll see different modes like instant cloning and professional cloning. If you're a beginner, the instant cloning feature is perfect because it's fast and very easy to use. Step 1. Upload a voice sample or record your voice directly. I'll upload this voice.
Discipline will take you places motivation never could.
Give your voice a name and select gender and region. Step 3. Click on Start Cloning. Within just a few seconds, FineVoice creates your voice model, which you can reuse anytime without recording again. This is extremely useful, especially if you're creating multiple videos regularly. Once your voice model is ready, you can take things even further using the FineVoice AI voice changer feature. Here, you can transform any voice into a completely different tone or character. You just upload an audio file, select a new AI voice.
Life is like a box.
I'll keep the model
Life
as
is like a box of
FineVoice OV.
chocolates. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know.
Adjust settings like pitch, choose your output format like MP3 or WAV, and generate the result. Within seconds, your voice is completely transformed.
Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most.
And the quality is smooth, clear, and realistic. Now let's talk about one of the most useful features, which is FineVoice text-to-speech. This feature allows you to convert any script into a professional voiceover without recording anything. You simply paste your script, select a voice.
Life is like a box of chocolates.
I just found out that our favorite band is coming to town next month.
And generate the audio. But what makes FineVoice even more powerful is the ability to add emotions. You can choose tones like sad, angry, calm, excited, or even whisper, and it completely changes how your script sounds. This helps you create more engaging and human-like content, especially for storytelling and motivational videos.
Your future is not built on big moments of motivation. It's built on the small choices you make every single day, even when no one is watching and nothing feels like it's working.
Another feature that I personally found very interesting is the FineVoice AI sound effects generator. With this, you can create custom sound effects just by writing a simple prompt. You can describe the sound, set the duration, and even add a negative prompt if needed. Within seconds, FineVoice generates a sound effect that perfectly matches your description, which is extremely useful for cinematic videos and creative projects. And now comes one of the most exciting features, which is the FineVoice AI talking photo. This feature allows you to turn any image into a talking character with perfect lip sync. You just upload a voice file and an image, select the resolution, and click Generate. Within a short time, FineVoice creates a video.
All right, guys, so the key to improving your crossover is really in the footwork. You want to stay low and explosive,
where the character speaks naturally. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, storytelling content, and even ads. Personally, I've been using FineVoice in my own content creation workflow, especially for faceless videos, and it has made things much faster and easier for me. Overall, FineVoice is not just a simple tool, it's a complete package for content creators. From voice cloning to text-to-speech, from sound effects to AI talking characters, everything is available in one place, which makes your workflow smooth and efficient. Now, if you want to try FineVoice yourself, make sure to click the link in the description and also check the pinned comment. That link will take you directly to the official FineVoice website, where you can create your account and start using all these features. If you're serious about content creation or YouTube automation, this is definitely a tool you should try. Let me know in the comments which feature you liked the most, whether it's voice cloning, text-to-speech, sound effects, or the talking photo feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.